Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to join a group on your Steam account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Steam application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed forward with your user ID and your password. After logging in, you will end up within the store page. Now, if you wish to join any group on Steam, then click on the Friends and Chat menu at the bottom right corner and then click on the plus friend icon. Once you click on this, at the left side, you will see the groups menu. You can click on Find a Group if you wish to search for any group that you may want to join. Just search for any game or community that you are interested in. And once you find any group that you may want to join, go ahead and click on this. Now, from the group page, just click on the follow button at the top right corner and you will now become a follower of this group. And you can also click on the group chat button in order to access the group chat for this particular game. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to join a group on your Steam account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.